All right, diving in. Today, we're going somewhere magical, folks. Disney World.
Ooh, sounds fun.
It is, trust me. Especially the story we're about to unpack. It's about a father-daughter trip, actually, back in 2025. We're pulling from an article called Pasted Text. Follows a teenager, Kenia, and her dad, Kednel, as they hit the parks.
Disney World, huh? That's going to be a unique dynamic. Teenager, parent, all the magic and crowds.
You hit it on the head. Not
Yeah.
your typical family vacation story. That's why we're diving deep.
Right.
See, it all starts with Kenia. She's 16 at this point, totally stoked, getting on that plane from New York.
New York to Florida, classic Disney pilgrimage.
Right, and get this, her suitcase is plastered, literally plastered, with princess stickers. Like, she is ready. She's even got this whole itinerary planned out, wants to meet Elsa, ride Space Mountain, the works.
Wow, organized. Not what always comes to mind with teenagers. It makes you wonder, is there something deeper with this trip for her? Like, why this vacation is so important?
The article touches on that. Kenia's always been a big imagination kind of gal, loved Disney. So this is huge for her, like stepping into her own fairy tale.
I can see that. 16, still that age where the magic feels real.
And her dad,
Yeah.
total champ. Kednel promises they'll do every single thing on that list.
Dad of the Year award right there. But, it makes me think, is he just indulging her? Or is there some, parenting philosophy going on here?
Ooh, good question. Maybe we'll see as we go. Anyway, they land in Orlando, and you can practically feel Kenia's excitement bursting out as they step into the Magic Kingdom.
I bet. Sensory overload, right?
No kidding. And she is dressed for the occasion. Belle-inspired yellow dress, tiara, and all.
Full princess mode activated.
Yeah.
And Dad, how's he handling this spectacle?
Embracing it. He's got Mickey Mouse ears on, rocking them. The article even mentions how Disney World is purposely designed to pull you in, like you're part of the magic. The sights, sounds, the whole atmosphere.
I mean, they're masters at that. Not just rides, it's the whole environment. Even the buildings, they use forced perspective and stuff to make them seem taller.
Exactly. Little details that add up big time. So, first ride, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Classic.
Kenny is loving it, obviously. Kednel's trying to play it cool, but you can tell he's a little freaked out.
The dad trying to be tough on the roller coaster. I've seen that before, but a lot of parents can relate to that, trying to keep up with their teens.
So true. Then they hit Epcot, the whole world culture thing. They're sampling snacks from different countries. Imagine that.
That's going to be fun.
And then, this is hilarious, they have this run-in with the animatronic Stitch.
Oh, no, what happened? Stitch can be a little much.
Right. He's known for being mischievous. So picture this. Stitch sprays him with water, soaked. But they're laughing hysterically.
I can almost see it.
It becomes this whole inside joke,
Yeah.
The kind you only get from family trips.
Makes sense. Those unplanned moments, they stick with you more than the planned stuff sometimes. They break the routine and you're all in it together.
Couldn't have said it better. But for Kenia, the highlight, hands down, is meeting Elsa. The writing gets so emotional, you can feel it. She's face-to-face with her childhood idol.
Powerful stuff. Role models, especially at that age, they mean a lot. Elsa's all about strength, independence, things a young woman's figuring out.
And get this, Kenia gets all her courage up. Ask Elsa if they can sing Let It Go together.
No way. What did Elsa say?
She said yes. The crowd goes wild. Kenia's belting it out, holding Elsa's hand. Pure joy, pure empowerment right there in that moment.
It's awesome. Shows real character stepping out of her comfort zone like that. Gotta be a boost to the confidence, too.
Absolutely. And the whole time, Kednel's there snapping pictures on his phone, just soaking in his daughter's happiness.
That's the dad goal, right? Witnessing your kid living their best moment.